Healing the gastrointestinal (GI) tract often involves supporting the gut lining, reducing inflammation, and promoting healthy digestion. Certain vitamins and nutrients can be particularly beneficial. Here's a breakdown of the best ones. 1. Vitamin A. Why it helps. Vitamin A supports the integrity of the mucosal lining in the gut and plays a role in reducing inflammation. Sources: sweet potatoes, carrots, spinach, liver, and fortified dairy products. 2. Vitamin D. Why it helps. Vitamin D regulates the immune system and reduces inflammation in the GI tract. It's also linked to a healthy microbiome. Sources: sunlight exposure, fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, fortified foods, and supplements. 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps repair damaged tissues and promotes collagen production for the gut lining. Sources: oranges, bell peppers, strawberries, kiwi, and broccoli. 4. Vitamin E. Why it helps. Another potent antioxidant, vitamin E protects gut cells from oxidative stress and supports tissue healing. Sources: nuts, seeds, spinach, and sunflower oil. 5. Zinc. Zinc is essential for tissue repair and supports the function of tight junctions in the gut lining, preventing leaky gut. Sources: shellfish, beef, pumpkin seeds, chickpeas, and fortified cereals. 6. L-Glutamine. Why it helps. Though not a vitamin, this amino acid is critical for repairing and maintaining the gut lining. Sources: bone broth, eggs, fish, and supplements. 7. Omega-3 fatty acids. Why it helps. While not a vitamin, omega-3s reduce gut inflammation and support mucosal health. Sources: fatty fish, salmon, sour flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts. 8. B vitamins, especially B1, B2, B6, B12, and folate. Why they help. B vitamins play a role in energy production for gut cells, reducing inflammation and supporting tissue repair. Sources: whole grains, eggs, meat, leafy greens, and fortified foods. 9. Probiotics. Indirect support. Why they help. Although not vitamins, probiotics improve the gut microbiome, which is crucial for healing the GI tract. Sources: yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and high-quality supplements. 10. Magnesium. Why it helps. Magnesium aids in proper bowel function and reduces gut spasms or discomfort. Sources: leafy greens, nuts, seeds, legumes, and whole grains. Tips for effective gut healing. 1. Avoid irritants. Limit processed foods, alcohol, and NSAIDs, which can harm the gut lining. 2. Hydration. Adequate water intake is critical for digestion and tissue repair. 3. Anti-inflammatory diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods and reduce refined sugars. 4. Consult a professional. Always check with a healthcare provider before starting new supplements, especially if you have a medical condition. Would you like recommendations for specific supplements or recipes to support gut healing?